Hi friends, welcome to Max IELTS and Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to write a discuss both views type of an essay. First, let us go through the question. The question goes like this. Some people argue that it is best to accept a bad situation, such as an unsatisfactory job or shortage of money. Others believe that it is better to try and improve such situation. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Remember, always stick on to the word limit and don't jump directly into writing the essay. Out of the 40 minutes which you are going to spend in this task, utilize 20 minutes for your planning and next 10 minutes in writing the fair draft and the last 10 minutes to go through your answer. Now, let's see what structure you will have to follow to write a discuss both view type of an essay. Your essay must have 4 paragraphs. Your first paragraph is the introduction paragraph, where you will have to paraphrase the given statement in the question. And then, additionally, you will have to give an overview of what you are going to write in your body paragraphs. At times, in a discuss both view type of essay, you may be asked to give your opinion. Since this is discuss both view type of an essay, we will be utilizing one paragraph for mentioning one view and the other paragraph to highlight the second option. So, in the body para 1, you will have to mention the first view that has been mentioned in the question, and you must highlight at least 2 effects and explain any one of the effect using an example or an illustration. Then, moving on to body para 2, you will have to highlight the second idea being mentioned in the question. Don't forget to explain any one of the point with an example or an illustration. Finally, the last paragraph is going to be your conclusion. One thing which you will have to keep in mind is that you should not add any new point in your conclusion and you must just reiterate conclusion. One thing which you will have to keep in mind is that you should not add any new point in your conclusion and you must just reiterate whatever you have written in your body paragraphs. If your opinion has been asked, then you must re-emphasize your opinion also. Now, let us start planning for the essay. Coming to the introduction, your introduction must have 3 important components: the paraphrase of the question, the overview of the essay, and your opinion. To paraphrase the given statement in the question, you must think of synonyms of the words used in the statement. I'll share few synonyms for some of the important keywords given in the statement. Firstly, I would like to start off with the word some people. The synonyms which could be used for this word are few people, certain people, some men, certain people, handful of people, couple of people. The next keyword which I am going to try to paraphrase is accept. Some of the substitutes for this word are take, agree, admit, acknowledge, tolerate. The final word which I am going to discuss is bad situation, alarming situation, unpleasant circumstances, gloomy picture, thorny problems, grave scenario, tragic situation are some of the best alternates. Now, I'm going to use these synonyms to write a paraphrase sentence of the given statement. And the paraphrase sentence goes like this. Several people have the ability to accept their unpleasant circumstances as an inevitable part of their life. The rest advocate attempts to work hard and overcome such state. The second component of the introduction paragraph is the outline of the essay. Here, you will have to give an overview of what you are going to write in the essay. Since this is discuss both view type essay, as mentioned earlier, I'll be highlighting the effects of the first view and the effects of the second view. So, in the outline, I'll be mentioning that first about the first viewpoint and second about the second viewpoint. I would like to write an outline statement like this. In the scope of this essay, both the views will be thoroughly discussed. The last component of the introduction is your opinion. For the opinion, you must mention what is your stand on the given statement. My opinion on the given statement is that it's better to work hard and try to achieve something in life rather than simply accepting the bad situation. So, I'll be penning down my opinion as from my perspective, it is better to strive to improve the situation as it might be better to some degree. Now, we are done with the first paragraph and we shall move on to the second paragraph of the essay. And it is the body para 1. Again, the body paragraph has two important elements to be written. The first one is to explain the first view given in the statement. You will also have to support your point with an example or an illustration. The key points which I am going to mention here are find satisfaction in negative things, example of a student searching for job after studies, accepting unfavorable state, faith in future to be happier. Using these hints, I am going to develop my body para 1 and it goes like this. On one hand, people tend to find satisfaction in their negative situation because they do not have any other option other than surviving in these conditions. For instance, most students face difficulty in finding a job which matches their qualification and are forced to work in unsatisfactory environment for survival. Accepting unfavorable state is a way to reduce and stop the damage. Moreover, some people are contented with the temporary poor condition in the faith of a wonderful life in the future. Now, the third paragraph of the essay is the body para 2, and the component which we are going to mention in this paragraph are explanation of the second viewpoint and support it with an example or illustration. The main points which I am going to mention are making efforts gives awesome results. Example of Cristiano Ronaldo and efforts results in better life. I'm going to develop these hints into a proper paragraph now and it goes like this. On the other hand, making effort to improve the terrible situation brings awesome results. Working hard to overpower such condition can help to lead a successful life. Cristiano Ronaldo is an example of a person who turned successful by conquering difficult circumstances. He was from a financially backward family. Because of his constant hard work, he was selected to the Portugal national team. By having a more positive attitude, it is also more likely that your effort result in a better life with a greater reward. Moving forward to the fourth paragraph, it is the conclusion paragraph. The conclusion paragraph also has three components to be highlighted. You will have to re emphasize or reiterate what you have written in your body para 1 and 2. That is, I am going to write the summary of my body para 1 and summary of my body para 2. Remember not to use the same vocabulary as used in your body paragraphs and show a difference in the vocabulary so that it gives an impression that you are having a wide knowledge of vocabulary which will help you in scoring more. And the third component is to reiterate your opinion. I'm going to write down the conclusion as taking everything into account, some find themselves in a place where they must either come to terms with what life has given to them or find a way to move up in the world. I would like to recapitulate that in order to advance in career and succeed in life, one should beat his obstacles and work hard. You can have a look at the fair draft of the essay. Hope the video was informative, and if you like the video, please like and share our video and do subscribe our channel without fail. And click on the bell button to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.